Okay, you watched Durandar, right? How was it?
I thought it was
Don't be
an
biased.
experience.
हाँ.
I thought it was an experience. I won't lie to you.
हाँ.
I saw it in the cinema in Sri Lanka, and when I watch these films that are not meant to be pro-Pakistani, I just watch them for the. I put aside
Yes.
the fact
Same.
that the country that is being discussed is mine, and I just watch it for the narrative
Yes.
that's being
Yes.
presented and the performances and the. But for a change in Dhurandhar, I felt, and this is something I've said it to someone as well, they really thoroughly researched Pakistan.
Yes.
They got a lot of stuff right about Pakistan. They got the art right. They got, apparently I was reading later because मतलब like चील चौक और सब कुछ था, तो I'm just like इतनी, और वो लग रहा है चील चौक, फिर पता चला थाईलैंड में उन्होंने सेट्स
पूरा
खड़ी की,
सेट ही तो थाईलैंड में बना है, पूरा
बनाया-
लियारी थाईलैंड में बना है.
पूरा लियारी थाईलैंड में बनाया है to like to the level, and end of the film when we got done, and I think last week I was telling someone कि यार मेरे लिए तो टेक अवे ये था कि हम इतने रेलेवेंट हैं उनके लिए कि जो कुछ हो रहा है हम कर रहे हैं एज अ नेशन.
Yes. Yes.
तो मेरे लिए तो हम पावर हाउस निकल के आ गए.
Yes.
मुझे ये एंटाई नहीं
हाँ,
लगी,
of course.
बट एट द सेम टाइम जो चीज मुझे बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगी कि द अमाउंट ऑफ रिसर्च, दे गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ स्टफ एक्यूरेट.
Yes.
देयर वाज नॉट मच आप जनाब हैपनिंग, देयर वाज नॉट मच काजल्स हैपनिंग. यस, थोड़ा बहुत there was cinematic liberty. Some of the actors couldn't get the Urdu right. Arjun Rampal couldn't get the Urdu right, but a lot of people did get the Urdu right. They got the pronunciations right. It was interesting to watch how much research was done in that film. And yes, they've shown a perspective. And it's their perspective and it's okay. I don't mind this.
I haven't watched Durandar, but I've
अभी आई नहीं है
of
ना
course
Netflix,
हाँ,
yeah.
मैं श्रीलंका था नहीं उसमें.
Sorry.
But the thing is,
But it was a long film.
it's a 3.5 hours film, right?
It's a long film.
I have researched about it. I've read about it. The set was made in Thailand.
Yeah.
I don't agree with the perspective they've shown. मुझे पता है, as a Pakistani, you can't agree with it, right?
Of course.
But I respect the filmmaking process of it.
Exactly.
Right.
And we were talking about it, a lot of stuff they've really gotten.
Yes.
Like obviously हर कुछ दिनों के बाद, देर के बाद एक जुमला आता था जिसने लियारी कंट्रोल कर लिया, उसने पूरा पाकिस्तान कंट्रोल कर लिया. हम पाकिस्तान में बैठे, हमें पता है ऐसा नहीं है.
हाँ.
ठीक है, that's okay. But still, but those I put under cinematic liberties, right?
Yes.
You have to take that liberties. हम भी अपनी फिल्मों में लेते हैं ना कुछ
बिल्कुल.
liberties. तो ठीक है यार, उन्होंने भी ले ली, कोई बात नहीं. It's still fun. It was just interesting to see as acting, as casting, as the costumes, the way everyone was stylized.
And the violence also.
Some scenes were very gritty, very hard. Some were very silent acting. I'd also respect for Ranveer because he actually played a fly on the wall character. So why do you think Akshay is walking away with so much credit? Because
Ranveer was not overshadowing him.
Yeah,
he gave the
so
space.
respect for
Yes.
him because Ranveer is a bigger star.
Yes.
But obviously the story
Yes.
required that the spy was the fly on the wall, and he was just slowly moving the pawns, and that's how Ranveer played it. So again, respect to him to do that as well. And entertainment, ठीक है यार. और उनको पैसा तो चचिंग all the way.
Of course.
So and part 2 अलग आनी है, तो let's see.
मार्च में आ रही है ना?
Yes, ईद पे शायद apparently.
आपने बोला कि how Ranveer went in this film, character required some space also, and he was a spy, so he had to be in
Fly
the
on the
shadows,
wall.
right?
Yeah.
Do you think that when we make a film
Yeah.
in our industry, actors or some big shot, right, comes on board to make a film with a director or producer, the demands are unnatural, right?
यार हम कंपेयर ही नहीं कर सकते उनकी $multi-billion इंडस्ट्री से. When it comes to films, हम अगर कंपेयर भी करें ना, हम ड्रामा टू फिल्म शायद
Yeah.
कुछ निकाल सकते हैं. फिल्म टू फिल्म तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं. हम फिल्म टू फिल्म तो मेजॉरिटी इंडस्ट्री से नहीं निकाल सकते.
Of course.
हम अभी 52 फिल्म्स नहीं चर्न आउट कर रहे हैं
True.
टू कवर एवरी वीक.
Yes.
राइट. तो हम कहाँ यार अपनी मतलब
हाँ.
वो मतलब it doesn't make any sense to have that conversation, have those comparisons, have those expectations from our actors. The and they're also struggling, to be really honest. On the box office, the whole dynamic of content consumption has changed, I feel, with OTT and with everything. And this is what I generally feel. Okay, it has changed so much that people are shying away to going to the cinemas. And I think even India is struggling. I think Hollywood's struggling. This is my perception. This is what I've read. And what feels like we don't go to cinemas as much, right? कि यार 2 हफ्ते में आ जाएगी Netflix पे देख लेंगे. 4 हफ्ते में तो लगी हुई होगी ना, देख लेंगे. Amazon पे आ जाएगी या वो या मतलब, you know, why bother going to the cinema? So the whole experience has changed. A lot of content is now getting consumed on the OTT.
Yes.
So from that perspective, I just feel the entire world is suffering and the dynamic of consumption is changing. I was reading somewhere now that, I don't know, Instagram or YouTube or someone is investing on content which is 90-second reels.
हाँ, ऐसा हो रहा है.
कि 120 episodes बनेंगी 90-second reels में on reel format because that's how people are consuming content. And I was just like, तो ये ड्रामे भी अब जो 60 minutes वाले हैं वो भी अब शायद obsolescence की तरफ जा रहे हैं because people's habits and viewership retention is changing. And then when I read it, I started thinking कि कितने ड्रामे हैं जो शायद मैंने YouTube पे पूरे देखे ही नहीं है, मैंने reels में देखे हुए हैं.
हाँ, बिल्कुल ऐसे ही है.
जो हमारे अपने ड्रामे वो मैंने reels में देखे हुए हैं. And I'm just like, so it's true because dynamics have changed and the business has changed and the industry has changed. So, you know, it's just...
So how is this industry changing every time, right?
Yeah. Technology is changing it. People are changing
Yes.
it.